Happy Hanukkah. It's the best day of the year. It's the Decorate for Hanukkah vlog. It's nobody's birthday. It's the Decorate for Hanukkah vlog, my favorite vlog of the whole year. I'm so excited. We have on our new Hanukkah pajamas. These are from Modern Tribe. How cute are these? My favorite is the dinosaur menorah on them. They actually sell all of these menorahs, which is what makes it so cute. The pickle menorah, the sushi menorah. Anyways, we just brought everything out of the basement. The boys are going to help me today. They are also in their new Hanukkah pajamas, which I'll show you shortly. But yeah, got all the boxes out of the basement, found all the random stuff. It is time to decorate and get ready for Hanukkah. We are about 2 weeks away. It's Thanksgiving weekend. Thanksgiving is over. It's time. Okay, I want to hear everyone's Hanukkah wish list.
I want a darken and 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 tickets to Mario Land.
Okay, tickets to Mario Land.
Tickets to Mario Park Land.
Oh, at Universal?
Yeah.
Okay, and a dark gun. Show everyone your new Hanukkah pajamas.
And a dark gun and a dark gun.
Tell us about the Hanukkah pajamas. Do you like them?
Yeah.
All right, Zachy, you're up. Okay, what do you want for Hanukkah?
Oh, yeah. I want Switch 2.
You want what?
Switch 2.
The Switch 2. We're not getting a Switch 2.
I want Switch 2.
No Switch 2. Any other ideas? We got a Switch last year for Hanukkah. The problem is they come up with new systems.
I don't like Switch 1. I only like Mario. We're not getting a Switch 2.
Okay, anything else you want, Zachy?
No.
And of course, my 4-year-old would like a Switch 2. Well, we're not getting that. What's your other idea?
New pumpkin for Halloween.
A new pumpkin for Halloween. Okay, that's a great idea. A new pumpkin for a Switch 2. And some Nerf guns. We'll see. All right, let's...
And Mario tickets.
Tickets to Mario World.
I want tickets to Mario World the most. Someone trashed it. That's the one I want.
Mario World. Okay, Max, did you want to...
got rid of a napkin that had Sharpie written on it.
Did you want to share what you wanted or no?
No.
All right. Okay, it's time for our annual Hanukkah pajama pictures. We have our bows and blanket on the floor. The boys are helping get ready. We opened all the windows so we could get as much light as possible. And wish me luck. Okay, so got maybe one picture. The boys are now having a bow fight. And do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hello, everyone.
Right now, me and Andrew, I said we should just like take everything out of the boxes. Is that for Ohio State? Ohio State won their game yesterday. Let's just take it all out of the boxes, see what we have. Every year we have more and more. But to be fair, I'm not buying it. People are sending it to me so I can share it with you guys. So it's not my fault we're in this mess of a situation. But yeah, I think we should just take everything out and go from there. Okay, here is our Hanukkah dinosaur. If you guys may remember him. He's not gonna stay here. He's just here for the moment to help us decorate. All right, Corey, you got the leaves?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put them up.
Where?
I might need to help you. Put them right over there by the menorah.
Where the menorah is?
Yeah.
Man, you gotta help me.
I'll help you. I love it. These are one of my favorite decorations. They're from Adara Rituals. Yeah, there you go. And you can like fill them with whatever you want. You fill them with gout. Corey's filling with dreidels. And then, yeah, you close them up and lock them. How cool is that? Other way, Corey. Other way. Like that. There we go. Looking pretty good in here.
Yeah.
I love it.
He's king.
He's the king, dreidel?
Yeah.
Love it. Okay, we are back. It's a few days later. I dyed my hair, so this might be a shocking change from when I saw you a minute ago. Just a little lighter, just a little fun. I have so many updates for you guys. Sorry, this has nothing to do with this video, but I need to make a whole life update video because I got my second hole pierced. I lost 14 pounds. I've been working out. I'm doing a lot of running. Dyed my hair. Things are crazy. Okay, anyways, totally nothing to do with this video. Let me show you my holiday home decor, Hanukkah. Here is the fireplace. I like for the living room to kind of be the centralness spot for the Hanukkah stuff. All this stuff is old, so if you've watched me for a long time, I do have some new stuff, but mostly it's just stuff from years past. I just kind of arrange it a little bit differently. This beautiful felt sign is from Etsy. I always share this tip. Etsy does personalized stuff, so just have them do like Jewish holiday stuff. You know what I mean? I think this is like a baby name sign that I was like, can you make it say Happy Hanukkah? They're like, sure. These blue florals are my goals. This green garland, I think is West Elm a couple years ago. Check out my new menorah. This is from Modern Tribe. I'll put the link for that one down below. She has so many creative, cute menorahs. There's the dinosaur in the corner. We'll blow it up when it's actually Hanukkah, I guess. My son actually put the lights up the stairs. I think we've had it like that before. I like them. I think I prefer them on the fireplace, but you know what? He was really passionate about that, so we just went with it. Got the little gifts there. We usually put the real Hanukkah gifts there too. I need to do a wrap with me video, guys. I've got so much to do. This area is, okay, I don't know how to describe it to you. I did style it, but the children restyle it every 5 minutes. So I'm like, what's even the point of showing it to you guys how I would want it to look, because I never get to have it that way. Also, our housekeeper was here today, and look what she did with the dreidel. This just made me LOL. It's also funny because I'm like, it's so precarious like that, but that's fine. I left it. It's too cute. Anyway, so yeah, imagine this styled more beautifully, but then the kids just like, this is what our Hanukkah toys are in these shelves. So like the decor becomes part of the fun too. That's okay. Okay, here is the kitchen. We're very minimal in here right now. I am hosting a very mini party, more like a play date. So maybe I will vlog that and show you guys the kitchen, like with all the food set out and stuff. So I try not to do too much decoration in the kitchen because like it already kind of has a lot with all the food and everything. Over here, this is my favorite thing. I always share it. It's so cute. Where's the little, oh, here. Oh no, my light's not working. Okay, well inside is a blue and white light that goes back and forth, but this is Kurt Adler. It's from Amazon. I have 2 of them. They're so cute. And then this is my little dreidel holder. That's from Target a while ago. Here's some more Target stuff. I loved when they did this marble dreidel. If you see something, probably any holiday related, but especially Hanukkah at Target, and you like it, you gotta get it. They do not come up with the same lines every year. Like, they make changes, which I guess is a good thing. But sometimes I'm like, we bring back the marble dreidel. This they've been doing for years, this menorah. I think it's super popular. I would like to credit myself for some of that because I know I have linked that menorah. This is my Annie glass plate, super special. And then I just put some gelt on it. I love that. I love golds for Hanukkah. I might add a little sign over there. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I usually fry latkes there, so like it can't get too crazy. And then this year I didn't really do the dining room because, again, we're not really doing Hanukkah hosting in the dining room. I will share this, which is from Amanda Topper, right? Yeah. Oh, Top Art. It just goes so well with this in our dining room because it's by the same artist. But yeah, I love that look. But that's really it. So that's what we've got going on. I'll come back with a Hanukkah vlog. I always vlog Hanukkah. You guys know I do. I'm gonna do it this year too. I promise, I promise, I promise. I know I have not made as many YouTube videos as I usually do. The truth is, I've just been on Instagram a lot more. It's just where I like naturally spend my time. And then I'm like, oh, I don't feel like repeating it for YouTube, but that's really unfair. It's to myself too, because I've spent so long building this channel and I love it so much. So I do promise to vlog for Hanukkah. Vlognukkah is coming. Okay, so thank you for watching my holiday home tour by Decorate for Hanukkah with me. I'll be back very soon with more Hanukkah videos. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!